Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your wallpaper of your laptop or computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that the wallpaper that you want is downloaded on your device. So if you don't have any wallpaper, just go ahead and open your browser and search for desktop wallpaper. So you can just choose if you want any. So for example, aesthetic, organizer, minimalist. So that kind of type. So let's just go ahead and click on minimalist. Now click on images. So now just go ahead and choose any image that you want. So let me just find any image that I want. So for example, this one. So now just go ahead and download this image by clicking right click on the image, click on save image as. Now choose the folder where you want to put your image, then click on save. So I'm just gonna put it on downloads, click on save. So now exit on your browser and open your this PC or the file explorer. Click on the location where you put your image earlier, right here. So now just go ahead and you can just simply right click on the image, then find the set as here, the set as background or lock screen. So choose any option that you want. So I'm just gonna choose background. When we exit, so as of my device, I cannot change this because I have the live wallpaper. So as you can see, when I try to change mine, it will just like flush. So right click on the image, click on set as desktop background. As you can see, it just flush. Okay, but if you don't have the live wallpaper, you can just go ahead and see that your wallpaper has been changed. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.